Hi, this is Kelley Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and I'm here working on a brioche project, and I'm going to be showing you a little bit of how I do brioche knit. So the first thing I have here is I'm going to slip a stitch, and at the same time you'll see the working yarn coming up over the top to make a yarn over. So that's the first step, and the next step is to knit the next stitch with its yarn over. Its buddy. That's considered one stitch. So then I'm going to go slip with my working yarn up over the top of the needle and then knit and slip and knit, slip, knit, slip, knit. And if you look here, that is what your brioche knit should look like.